Yes, I use Propstream. I use Propstream a lot. I use Google Sheets. Pretty much our entire business is on Google Sheets. Appfolio is one that we use. That is our property management software. Appfolio has like a 50 property minimum before you have the ability to use them. So if you have 50 properties or fewer, then I think buildiumapartments.com, Zillow, I think those are really good options. I know there's a couple others, but I'm kind of blanking on them at the moment. I would highly suggest that every new real estate investor, uh, I think PropStream, you can get around using it if you want to save $100 per month, but PropStream is definitely worthwhile. So I'll put up that link again for mine. But I mean, I save a significant amount of time doing research just by using PropStream rather than kind of manually going to each of the sites necessary. So I'm very appreciative of it. And PropStream also has a tool inside of it that allows you to pull your own comps very quickly and get a really good idea of what the ARV for that property is going to be really fast. I find it to be more ergonomic than doing it manually on like Zillow, Trulia, or something else. So it also prints out like a really awesome comp report right after, which I think is helpful. So PropStream. And then I think that everybody should manage their own properties. I think technology has made it really easy if you fully utilize what these property management softwares have to offer, then it's going to be significantly easier to manage your properties than hire someone else to do it. If you're investing in out of state, you're going to have a little bit of a additional barrier to overcome. You're going to need to figure out and have somebody kind of local, boots on the ground, to do some little things here and there. But at this point, knowing everything that I know now, I would not recommend anyone use a property management company. So technology, property management software, really easy. And then from there, I would say one of the things that I do a lot is, consume information, books from all sorts of disciplines. They don't have to be real estate investing specific, but as soon as you become a real estate investor, you're essentially starting a new business. So it's going to be really important that you know how to kind of start a business. So always be looking for your bottlenecks, any sort of bandwidth issues you have, address those quickly. Any sort of friction that you ever experience in your business, always be looking to make that a little bit easier, right? And one of the things that I think when anyone starting a business does, to a certain point, it's necessary, but do your very best not to run your business from your cell phone. As you grow, it's going to be more and more difficult to kind of bring other people in if you're running it solely from your cell phone alone.
Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of Propstream.